In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Slack. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if I go ahead and open up Slack, you can see my text size is set to this. So in order to make this a lot larger, what I need to do is head back and then head into my settings app on my mobile phone. And now once I'm inside my settings app, I need to scroll down, look for display. So go ahead and tap on display. Again, navigate lower and look for font size and style. Go ahead and click into that. And then under font size and style, you will see a slider that you can move left and right. Left will make it smaller, right will make it larger. So in order to make your font size larger, put it near the right hand side. So I'm going to keep it to about that. And now if I head back into Slack, you will see the font size in Slack has been increased quite significantly. So yeah, just have a play around that slider and make it as small or large as you need, and to make it easier for you to read the text inside of Slack.